Well, let's go ahead and get into it. What you can expect for today. We have at the worst a level 3 enhanced risk. That's for the eastern side of the Fox 8 viewing area. Most of the rest of the Fox 8 viewing area, most of it is at a level 2 slight risk. What we're expecting, the possibility of damaging winds. Those winds at times could get up to 58, 60 miles per hour, those wind gusts anyway. And there is a possibility of isolated tornadoes. The time frame here between 7 a.m. and 1 p.m. for the worst of it. We may still have some lingering storms outside of that time frame, but I think 7 to 11 is a reasonable time frame to expect to have to really be vigilantly watching the radar. The entire Piedmont is affected, and here's that severe weather outlook. The enhanced risk goes all the way up to Guilford County, Randolph, and Montgomery County, also Rockingham County and points eastward. Our slight risk goes all the way just past I-77. So a big chunk of the Fox 8 viewing area, the majority of our counties, in fact, are going to be at a slight to elevated risk of severe weather. Isolated tornadoes, damaging winds. Of the two, damaging winds is by far going to be more a danger for us. But just a reminder, if there is a tornado warning, where do you go in your home or apartment? You always want to put as many walls between you and the storm outside. So a hallway, closet, bathroom, even stairwell. If you can get under the stairs, that's a safer place to go. Even better if you can go to the lowest level of your home, which may be a basement, or some people have a crawl space that at least has some limited accessibility. But the lower the better. So we want you to be safe. Hopefully we will not have to use that information today, but you got to know what to do. 60s outside, low 60s in Winston-Salem and High Point, 59 in Greensboro, and that range 59 to 61 is pretty much what everybody is experiencing. Really mild, windy conditions outside. We have wind advisories up until 7 o'clock tonight. Our cold front will come through. A second front barrels in just around the evening hours. And windy conditions will remain until at least 7 p.m. Tomorrow we will have the winds returning. And so it's going to be a blustery but dry day tomorrow with partly cloudy skies. As we head into the end of your work week, it does get calmer. It's going to be dry, and we're going to have a decent amount of sunshine to enjoy, not only tomorrow, but again on Saturday. Today, though, we have to be watching vigilantly as the storms move in. By lunchtime, we'll start to see things winding down. I'm not going to give an all clear at this point for the lunch hour, but I think by 1 o'clock we'll be done with the severe weather threat. And we'll keep you posted right here on Fox 8 every step of the way.